Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Executive Vice President, Mazda Motor Corporation, Akira Morimoto.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for coming today. Let me begin by reminding you that Mazda, with a proud heritage of design and engineering innovation, is undertaking a dramatic transformation. Over the past 4 years, we have renewed the entire Mazda lineup, transforming our presence with new generation vehicles featuring SkyActiv technology and KODO design. Our new models have received strong market support around the world, enhancing our brand and growing our business. In the last fiscal year, we sold 1.53 million vehicles, up 24% in 4 years. It's not only Mazda's presence that we have transformed. Under our most recent global business plan, we have improved cost competitiveness with monozukuri innovation, strengthened our business by establishing a global production footprint, and innovated sales method with our right price policy. Under stage 2 of our new plan, we will take these initiatives to the next level. Today, we are introducing a model that is set to play a big role in our continued growth, the all-new Mazda CX-5. Okay, thank you. When it debuted in 2012, the CX-5 was the first model to adapt both SkyActiv technology and the KODO design. It has been a hit with customers and a winner for Mazda. Sales have grown every year since launch and now account for a quarter of our global sales volume. The all-new CX-5 will build on this momentum. We aim to sell 400,000 units globally, and about 40% of them right here in North America. Along with the CX-3 and the CX-9 launched earlier this year, the CX-5 will enhance our SUV lineup, driving Mazda's brand and growth in North America and around the world. This new crossover SUV defines every element of Mazda's design and technology. The design is dignified and powerful, grounded in a Japanese aesthetic. The cabin is remarkably quiet, and the suite of advanced technology make it a comfortable and enjoyable place to be. Mazdas are widely recognized as fun to drive, and the revised CX-5 adds new dimension, offering driving pleasure that everybody in the car will enjoy, not just the driver. As part of the full model change for CX-5, I'm also delighted to announce today that Mazda will introduce a diesel engine option to the North American market. Thank you. CX-5 diesel is feature our SkyActiv D 2.2-liter clean diesel engine. This power plant delivers on Mazda's brand promise of providing both driving pleasure and outstanding environmental performance. Excellent response and a torque equivalent to a gasoline engine, almost twice the size, guarantees fun driving. It has taken longer than we expected to launch this engine. This blend of power and emission certification was critical if the vehicle was to be true to the Mazda badge. I'm confident when you drive it, you will agree that the wait was worthwhile. In the area of fuel economy, CX-5 is already among the best in the segment. CX-5 diesel will deliver fuel efficiency at hybrid level. The engine has been developed to meet increasingly strict emission standards in North America and around the world. And it's equipped with unique Mazda technology that reduces the diesel knock for a quieter engine sound. Obviously, we are launching a CX-5 diesel at a tough time for the technology in the United States. But we have a great product, uniquely positioned in this segment. We are confident there is a sufficient latent demand from customers who want the fuel economy and the driving performance that only a modern diesel engine can provide. And I promise you, this engine will not disappoint. We plan to begin sales of this diesel-powered model in the second half of next year, and we'll release more details closer to the launch. In closing, let me suggest that today's announcement are further evidence that Mazda is going from strength to strength. We will stay true to our human-centered engineering philosophy, and I'm sure we will keep surprising you with our product and technology. We will continue to drive our brand here and around the world by building stronger emotional connections with our customers. Now, I would like to hand over to the head of Mazda North American Operation, Masahiro Moro. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marumoto-san. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining our Mazda press conference today. As I take the stage today, I have been at the reins of Mazda North American operations for nearly a year. Long before I came to the US, I saw a need for Mazda to change, to move our business in a new direction. We needed to focus on our brand, not on either price or volume, and the unique things we offer our customers. So our vision is to transform Mazda from a company that just sells cars to a company that delivers a great experience through extraordinary products and generate a passion for our brand. That experience will strengthen the customer's emotional connection to Mazda, and in the end, our goal is not just to sell another car, but rather to create a customer for life. So at Mazda, we call this brand value management. We want Mazda to be a brand that customers will seek out and they will choose to be a part of their lives. Essentially, we want to be a brand that is loved and chosen by our customers. They could go elsewhere, but we believe they will choose not to do so. And it's all started with great vehicles. Many of you have praised us our current generation of cars, and I thank you for that. As Mazda's showroom lineup has matured since we launched the global original CX-5 4 years ago, we have centered our brand journey around design. Mazda are in a class above as far as equipment, styling, and dynamics are concerned, but at a price point where the customer finds strong value for money. And that experience will heighten with the launch of 2017 CX-5. Look at all the details here, from the grille to the side to the tailgates, as it's all highlighted with our new Soul Red Crystal paint. More dynamic, deep, and emotional than any other production color. The addition of the Sky Active D diesel engine and the safety and dynamic technology that we call Sky Active Vehicle Dynamics mean the new CX-5 will be drive like you expect a Mazda would. It is this focus on details that has seen Mazda recognized by the EPA as the most fuel-efficient automaker in the US for the 4th year in a row. Mazda design is at the top of its game, and I don't think I'm boasting if I call it car as art. We believe that design is such a powerful driver of customer satisfaction and brand value that our design division is involved in all aspects of our brand transformation. They have helped to create our new retail evolution dealerships, which are attracting customers to our new Mazda vehicles. We have nearly 20 of those stores already and will soon be more than 150 across the country. But we are not the only ones who think Mazda design is doing the job right. MX-5 was named the World Car Design of the Year, and RX Vision concept was named the most beautiful concept car of the year. We couldn't be more proud of these awards. But Mazda is more than great-looking cars. It is a deep relationship that we have with the customer that sets us apart. This is why we have been involved in racing around the world since 1968. For us, racing is a perfect example of our never-stop challenging spirit, and motorsports activities are about creating a strong emotional bond with our customers. Our racing activities have resulted in more Mazdas and Mazda-powered vehicles on the racetrack of the US than any other brand, and the MX-5 becoming the world's most raced car. And this is another example of how everything we do is to support and promote the Mazda brand as a whole. I always like to look to the future, but many of you know how proud we are of this moment, so I have to say it. Mazda is the only Asian company to ever win the 24 Hours of Le Mans. We couldn't be more proud of that. But now, let's discuss the future of Mazda's racing in the North America IMSA Championship with the all-new Mazda RT24P Prototype. It is styled by Mazda design team. The new Mazda racecar takes a cue from our KODO design that are both attractive and efficient, and gives the owner of a CX-9 or Mazda 3 the pride of knowing what their car's roots are. The RT24P will make its competition debut in January's Rolex 24 at Daytona. So if you will all turn attention to the side of the stand, please. Many people couldn't see, but gentlemen, please unveil the race car. Ladies and gentlemen, our prototype race driver, Jonathan Bomario and Tristan Nunes, Tom Long, Joel Miller. Hey, thanks guys, and good luck next year. All fans are cheering for you. So, speaking of fans, strong fans, no Mazda built a lifelong fans like a MX-5, the world's best-selling two-seater roadster. Over the past 27 years, we have sold 1 million MX-5s, an incredible record. As customer passion and involvement has always been a part of the Miata experience, we built 1,000 examples of a launch special edition of our new retractable fastback MX-5. We sold half to existing MX-4 owners and other half to new owners. I share this with you as we have a special guest with us today. Dave Potter was the very first customer to order a 2017 MX-5 Miata RF. And it is my big pleasure to invite him up to the stage so I can welcome him as the newest member of the Mazda family. Dave. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Here is a new key for you.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Key up, key up. Dave is incredible, strong Mazda fan for years. And please enjoy the experience with the latest MX-5 RS.
I will.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's make sure Huntington Beach Mazda takes best care of you. All right, so Mazda is a special company, and we have a clear path forward. Our way forward must be focused on our customers in order to make lifelong fans of them and work to build their trust enough to return to a Mazda dealer to buy a lifetime of new cars. With the new 2017 CX-5, the debut of our long-awaited Sky Active digital technology, and the new IMSA race car, the delivery of the first MX-5 RF, incredible award-winning design, and a clear focus on the customer, the future for Mazda looks very strong indeed. I thank you all of you for your time today, and I'd like to invite Marumoto-san join me back on stage for a few pictures, as well as Maeda-san, our design team. And afterwards, please come closer to take a look at the new car. Thank you. Thank you very much.
普通のキーだね。